In this task we have two tables, employees with employees names and ID, and employee unit with unique employee identifier and ID. And we need to find a solution to find the all unique ID for each employee. So I will simply use the left join to employees table here to get all the records from the employees, and in case if there is corresponding one in employee unit, we'll just simply get this one. Other case, it will be just no, the same as needed. So it will be select. On the first column, ascend what I need is unique ID, and it will be from table employee unit. And the second and the last column will be name. Nothing is from employees table. And at first I will select it from employees. And left join. Left join the table's employee unit on employees ID. This equals employees unit ID.